All right.
All right.
So you still have to just put your noggin on.
Yeah. I have to put my noggin on, and then I think we are going to be dressing them, making sure that we get our little nubbies all hidden up.
Yep. So I'm going to. We have these snips here, and I'm just going to snip right as close as I can to the top of the.
Lose my head.
So there. And if it is sharp, you can file them. Or you know what I find is the best though?
Mm-hmm.
I actually use nail cutting scissors. Like the
Oh,
that's the best.
The
because
little
you
tiny.
can go right. You can snip right into the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Perfect. Uh-oh.
And
Okay.
you just hid your. What's wrong?
I think you're okay.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Baby newborn.
Oh,
like,
actually,
they're
yeah.
floppy.
Yeah, I
Like,
have to
they're not.
I
They're
have to
not.
remind myself that they're
Yeah.
like new newborns.
Yeah.
If they support their head when
Yeah.
you're holding them. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, I would do snips.
Yeah, I like the little snips to get your.
Yeah, you want to make sure they're nice and tight.
Yeah.
Because as you saw before, my head rolled away.
Popped off.
Yep. Definitely don't want that happening.
There we go. You want that?
Actually.
Okay. So now I'm just going to use these to pull the material over top of the zip tie.
Yeah, it's nice to hide the zip tie with the material. Oh, so cute.
Oh. Oh, that's adorable.
Oh, look at that. Cute. That's good.
Yeah.
That's cute.
And this is our little McVee's line, and this is our other line that we have our handmade our sewers made for us. And I'm already bouncing.
Ah, well, then you've done a good job.
Yeah.
All right. Here's mine.
Aww.
Oh,
Pink.
very cute.
Let's see, Sabrina. Oh. Aw, very cute. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Really nice. Now you each have a different one?
So I have Lucas.
Luke.
Luke.
Yeah, Luke.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yep. Here
And
it
I
is.
have Serena.
I think I also have Serena.
Yeah.
Yes, I think. That's
Serena was
there.
the first one.
Yep.
And then Luke, and then
Ayla.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
And so the weight feels really nice.
I think
It feels
does.
really good.
Yeah.
Let's try and see.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh yeah, you've done the floppy or cute.
Yep. Very sweet.
Very cute.
They are. They're really cute.
This is a cute little outfit.
Yeah.
Hey, so she's cute.
Yeah.
Or he. Yeah, I definitely did my sticker.
Oh, those are cute.
Yeah, I found the little
Yeah.
goodies. Which I think we
Yeah,
sell.
that is really
Oh,
cute.
that's
Yeah,
nice,
good job.
Laura.
Yeah.
Very
Very
nice.
Yeah. Everybody's
Cool.
done a
So-
great job.
I just want to say thank you, ladies. Thanks again
Yeah.
for
Awesome.
doing this video with us. And hopefully this will be on YouTube for years and years to come. And we're going to commit to doing more of these on a regular basis.
Yeah.
See you soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you
All right.
soon.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for doing this, ladies.